Welcome, little one. This is your first day. Your designation will be RP-01/138. We expect great things from you. You have been born into dangerous times. A sharp mind can be the key to survival. But as often as not, it will be your inherent physical traits that win the day. And in this regard, you will be superior to your more common brethren. For you are a commando, an elite unit, something truly special. Your weapons, your armor, and most importantly, your brothers. The Eifer of our world hunt in pods to bring down much larger prey. So too shall you join the three brothers and become fierce hunters for the Republic. Now, join your pod and embrace your destiny as their leader. Join Delta Squad. Delta 4-0, your foundation, a pure and uncomplicated soldier. 6-2, the heart and soul of your team. And 07, the fiercest hunter of all your brothers. You are each a piece of a whole person. And the Republic will call you to defend and give your lives if need be.
Sergeant, get those troopers into the gunship!
Ready for liftoff! New gunship, okay, Group B, let's move it! Let's go, push those cannons to the stern! Load the ammo and the ordnance, let's go, let's go!
Sir, we're gonna split up for the drop, but we'll meet you at the RV on Geonosis. See you planetside, sir!
Surface vessels approaching us, not start off with Victor. Has not responded to signals, but is believed to be a techno-union armed transport. Location vessel appears to be taking action. Stand by.
Welcome to Geonosis, 3-8. It's nice to see they finally unhooked you from the simulators. I've been assigned as your advisor, and will be your eye in the sky until further notice, or we all get killed. Once you are on the ground, you will rendezvous with Delta Squad. Delta 6-2 is nearby. Your first objective is to find him and link up. The squad objective remains: find Sun Fac and eliminate him. I will be issuing further orders as you go. Good luck, Commando. Okay, we're above the LZ. Hook in.
Look out!
I will be providing you with support and tactical information as necessary. Tactical information will be displayed on your heads-up display as holographic projections. Text communications will be displayed in this area. Here are your orders. Your primary target is the Geonosian leader, Sunfac. Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape. Delta Lead, are you alright? You just took an anti-infantry round. Your vitals don't look very good. Heal yourself with Bacta before you go any further. There's a medical station in your vicinity. Not to proceed until you have 100% health and shields. Got that, soldier? Lead, your vitals are scanning 100%. You are ready to proceed.
They're in the trench! Pull back to cover sector! Pull back!
New objective uploaded. Get over to the crashed gunship. Updating location to objective tracker. The objective tracker will point towards your next target. Secure the area in front of the crashed gunship.
Hey, 3-5, check it out! Commandos!
If they're anything as good as I hear, they could practically win the war themselves.
Sir, you're heading into enemy territory, thick with droids and bugs! We're erecting barricades as a makeshift defense perimeter!
Droids approaching your position.
Hostiles have broken our line!
This trench leads to the rear of the enemy line.
Destroy a human.
There is a gun position near your location preventing our troops from advancing. Recommend you take the thermal detonator grenades from the ammo pallet and destroy that gun position. Grenades have been added to your inventory. Excellent. Now lob the grenades at that gun position.
Moving to semi-area position.
Very impressive, 3-8. shortly.
Woohoo! Eat plasma, you stupid droids! Yeah!
You are
Have
directly
some of that.
behind the turret emplacement.
Watch it, squad. 6-2 ready to go, sir.
Those sonic turrets are tearing our troopers apart. Lead, I have uploaded a demolition placement location to your visor.
Scorch, I need you to demo their bunker for me. Delta, give me an explosive
dying to
solution.
blow something up. Can I have some cover here?
Heads up, squad.
Just get us
Warriors
inside
approaching
without
your
killing the
position.
squad, okay, Scorch?
Unit eliminated.
The charge is set and ready to detonate. It's all yours, boss. Squad lead down!
Commandos.
Hang in there, lead. One of your squad mates is on the way with a med pack.
Pumping 380.
Need aid now.
Call me a mutant, but I think there's some bugs here. Target taken out.
Eliminated.
I'm out. Reloading.
Advisor, we've got some heavy artillery over here.
Gunship Harkin, en route. Press on, Commandos. I will continue to monitor your progress from the gunship and provide you with information as necessary. Reinforcements are... Remember, Delta Lead, your ultimate objective is Sun Fac, but your immediate objective is to rendezvous with Delta 4-0.
Go! Call me a mutant, but I think there be bugs here.
Delta 4-0 is on the other side of this door. Place a charge and blow it. I'll warn him to step back.
Commence demolitions maneuver, Delta.
Any charge. Target taken out. Copy. Priming? Explosives? The charge is set and ready to detonate. It's all yours, boss.
Uploading and linking with your visor, sir.
Delta Lead, advise you task 4-0 with slicing that security shield. He is supremely qualified. Your squad status and location is displayed here.
Almost there. Slice complete, sir.
Security shield disabled, we're in.
Nice shot to the point.
Get yourself some Vector, Commando.
On my way. At 100%. Move!
You're nearing a secure door leading to the hangar. Activity in the hangar suggests that they are unaware of your presence. I advise slicing the controls to this door and entering quietly via a door slice maneuver.
Let's go in quietly.
Keep me covered, Deltas. Door sliced and clear for entry, sir.
Advisor, we've located a pair of Geonosian fighters in the hangar.
We don't want them to be used against us. Destroy them. Target uploaded to your objective tracker.
Outside, sir.
Get clear! It's getting a little dark here.
Delta Squad, switch to visor mode.
Reloading. Fire, careful, team.
Switching to night vision.
One takedown, sir.
Switch off that visor, Delta. It's plenty bright in here.
Aye, sir.
Good, now use the demo charge to clear the path.
Delta, give me an explosive solution.
Affirmative. Placing charge.
When they're dead, they're still creepy.
Weighted target. Charge on ready, sir. Charge is armed, sir.
Fire in the hole.
Target annihilated. Droid detected.
Delta Lead, you need to keep your squadron focused and under your direction. Use your squad commands to get results. We've intercepted communications from Sunfac's planning room. He's located one level below your current position. The Geonosians are aware of your presence and are on high alert. Expect heavy resistance.
Change your position.
Heal up, Delta.
Retrieving it, sir.
Reloading.
Delta 4-0 recovered. Reloaded it back.
The opening at the end of this hall is directly above Sunfac's planning room. You can rappel down from the ledge.
Roger that. Let's get down.
Delta Lead, Squad Mate 07 is now in your vicinity and remaining covert. Proceed with caution.
07 locking into your HUD, sir.
Getting acquainted with the locals, eh, Sev?
That was fun.
Where's Sunfac?
In the next room, boss. And don't worry, I saved some targets for you guys.
Boro, covering Vector.
Sunfac is making a run for the door. Stop him!
He's made it through.
Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape.
Way to take one down, Delta Lead.
Your behavior frightens and confuses me, sir.
Super battle droids.
Concentrate your squad's fire on single targets to penetrate their armor.
Enough.
Droids eliminated. Skip it up, 3-8. I'm reading a power transfer to Sunfac's fighter. This door is locked. You'll need to destroy the locking mechanism. My scans indicate multiple hostiles on the other side of this door. Delta Squad 3-8 is down. Administer field factor. Hang in there, 3-8. Breach maneuvers on the way. Once the charge is set, get clear.
Reloading.
For the cause.
Commence door breach.
Commencing door breach maneuver.
Back to applied.
Detonator placed. Clear.
Watch this.
There he is, outside the shield.
Delta Lead, assign 07 to sniper position. We need a target on Sunfac. Sunfac is making a run for it. Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape. You're running out of time.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
Use your marksman. Put 07 on that position and let him do his job. Sunfac's fighter is warming up. Delta, what are you doing?
Native creature killed. He's taking off! Now you've lost!
Woohoo! Yeah! I love that smell.
All I smell is burnt Geonosian.
3-8, my scanners show an explosion.
That's affirmative. Subject terminated. You see that? A Crafton of Geonosian.
Confirmed. It's unidentified. I'll check the intelligence databanks. Move on, Deltas. There's no time to celebrate, Delta. As you already know, 3-6's squad has been incapacitated. Their mission was to disable the droid factory in this sector. Your squad has been retasked for this purpose. Proceed to the elevator. Intelligence indicates that there are several factories buried deep underground, but they are impenetrable to our large assault forces. Heat signatures emanating from this spire tell us there is a factory below. Neutralizing one of these factories will tip the scales in our favor for the surface battle. Our scanners cannot pinpoint the factory's exact location because of a jamming device located near your current position. First, disable the jamming device. Once that is accomplished, I can guide you to your main target. I'll communicate. Be sporadic. Inside. So you're on your own until that...
Signal lost, sir. Too bad, it was just warriors. Squad leader, good shot.
Sniper mode. Very accurate. Breach that door.
On our way. Placing detonator. Clear!
This should wake him up.
Hostile eliminated.
So that's how it opens.
That smell. They're harvesting fidna resin, highly explosive in its raw form. Move.
I hear machinery below. Looks like we're on the right track.
That means we get to kill some more bugs, right?
Will you look at this place?
Multiple targets on the bridge.
Lead, looks like a good place for a little sniper action.
Things are even uglier when they're
That
dead.
doesn't sound good. Must be the battle upstairs.
I got geos in my view scope.
That did the trick. This place gives me the creeps. What are these strange egg-like things?
Looks like we're in some sort of Geonosian birthing chamber, gentlemen.
What do you know? They are eggs.
Let's give them a wide berth just to be safe.
Just when you think they can't get any more disgusting. Drones ahead. Watch your step.
Hostile eliminated.
Let's use this clear line of fire.
Moving into position. Ready, sir.
Powering up. Got a visual on enemy droid.
And tears.
Take them out from there, Joe. There's the jamming device, but it's shielded. The controls to that shield must be nearby.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
The jamming device is interfering with my visuals.
Fresh ammo. I'm taking fire.
Stop limping around and get some Bacta, soldier.
Getting backed up. Ready for combat.
Nice shot from the point.
Use some Bacta, Delta.
On my way. Position nominal.
You should... One. Control is destroyed.
I've spotted a control panel near the end of this room.
There's a computer console at the opposite end of this room. It must control the shield to the jamming device.
On your 6, 3-8.
Give us some sniping, Commando.
I love that crunchy sound.
Guess it's dead. Enemy neutralized.
Come in, slicing protocols, Delta.
You got it.
Shields down. Let's blow that jamming device.
Yeah, we'll get right on that.
Give us some sniping, Commando. Cancel snipe maneuver, Commando.
Never saw it coming.
Place a charge on the jamming device.
Setting demo.
Swatted.
Powering up.
Charge is ready when you are, sir.
All member incapacitated.
Take out that droid.
Nice hit, Delta 3-8.
Heal up, Delta. Hold your fucking factor, Commander.
Are you all right, sir?
Enemy neutralized. Giving help to 6-2. Returning in a moment.
Heal up, Delta.
Getting backed up. Much better.
Heal up, Delta.
Retrieving it, sir. Area secure. Feeling better now. Here's some help, 6-2.
Sit up there, Delta.
On my way. In position. Good to go, sir.
Take cover, Delta.
Thanks for the assist, Delta.
That sound.
Pack it up, Delta.
Nice work. Communication in the wrong direction, Delta. In return to the jamming device, there is an exit in level behind your current location. Make your way through the opening behind the jamming device. Make your way through the opening behind the jamming device.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Moving into position. In position.
What's the holdup,
There
boss?
is a ledge at the end of this shaft. You can rappel to the lower level from that ledge.
Let's get down to the lower level.
Right behind you, squad leader.
Stay alert. I'm reading a sudden surge of activity in your area. Vent shafts leading to the factory are located on the opposite side of the spire from your location.
Figures.
My readings are unable to find a way across the spire to the factory. You're going to have to get creative with this one.
Geonosian warriors ahead.
Look out!
Flank the new target.
Find cover.
Excellent shot, sir.
Powering up.
Alien down.
Take up snipe position.
Moving into position. Oro is down.
Blasted! Vermin!
Help him, Delta.
Fixers in a jam. I'm moving in.
Prep for conflict.
Hold it together, Deltas.
Delta, watch the sky.
Help him, Delta.
Help's on the way, 07.
We'll beat them, Delta Squad.
Dang it, bugs. I got some damage here.
Let's go.
I'll be
What the
back.
hell was that?
Geonosian Elite. Watch out for the laser.
Hold it together, Delta.
Don't panic, Delta. Oro's down.
Someone help.
Ready for action, boss. Fixers in a jam.
No.
I'm moving in.
Ooh!
Took a flash here. Reloading.
They've set up a barricade on the bridge. Let's get a charge set on that crate. Delta needs a revive, Commando.
I'm helping Delta 6-2.
Oro's down. Someone help.
Good as new, sir. We've lost Delta Lead. But a guy later, sir,
Right.
it just isn't a good time now. They got me.
Can you hear me? I'm reading low vital signs from your squad. Vent shafts leading to the factory are located on the opposite side of the spire from your location.
Figures.
My readings are unable to find a way across the spire to the factory. You're going to have to get creative with this one.
Go! We've got bugs, Deltas.
Look out!
Flank the new target.
Find cover.
Delta Squad, let's take him down.
Moving to your mark. Lock down.
Blast it.
Eliminate target. What the hell was that?
Geonosian Elite. Watch out for the lasers.
Great shooting, sir.
Oh, it's extra dead.
Eliminate target.
Give me another.
We'll beat them, Delta Squad.
Stay on those bugs.
Be right back.
Eliminate target.
Oro's reloading.
Take offensive formation.
Yes, sir.
Eliminate target.
Lead here.
Get confirmed.
They've set up a barricade on the bridge. Let's get a charge set on that crate. Sonic turret at the end of the bridge.
Set. Ready to fire.
Commence demolitions maneuver, Delta.
Oro ready and explosive. Now ready. Watch my back, Delta. Kill. Almost ready, sir. Charge is
Stand
on,
back,
sir.
Deltas. Keep moving, Deltas.
Shooting, Delta 3.
Stop limping around and get some vector, soldier.
Sir, please make up your mind. On my way.
We'll beat them, Delta Squad.
Aliens, go. Now! Requires eliminating contact before I can help you, sir. Sir, you realize this is against recommended protocol?
Way to blast him.
I guess he can wait.
Hit confirmed. That's one less bug. One down.
We could use our hold here, Deltas.
Setting charge.
Prep for conflict.
Huh.
Charge is hot, sir.
Should we fall back, sir?
Take cover, Deltas.
That sound.
Warriors!
On your 638.
No way across. Looks like we're gonna have to make our own bridge. A well-placed bomb at the bottom of the spire might create a bridge.
Got problems, Delta.
Delta, give me an explosive solution.
Setting charge. Cover me.
Enemy down.
Almost ready, sir.
Got folks, sir. Nice hit, boss.
Powering up.
Take cover, Deltas.
Good work, Delta.
That'll do nicely.
Nice work, Delta. The factory is directly across from your current position, Delta.
Why do we always get the tough jobs?
Focus, Delta.
Excellent shot, sir.
Moving on, sir.
Got folks, sir.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
Acknowledged. Retrieving backup. Area secured.
Put someone on that turret, Delta.
6-2 manning turrets.
Position nominal.
Powering up.
Eliminate target.
Get done. Fire in the hole.
Weighted target.
No way across. Looks like we're gonna have to make our own bridge. A well-placed bomb at the bottom of the spire might create a bridge.
Need some cover here.
Warrior!
Almost. Almost. Explosives prepped and ready.
Powering up.
Mark down.
Delta 07 down.
You, Bacta, now.
I'm heading there now. 07, good to go, sir.
Need med tech now.
Stand back, Deltas.
Roger. 3 on the mark.
That'll do nicely.
Nice work, Delta. The factory is directly across from your current position, Delta.
Target's turreted, boss.
Feeling better.
Get yourself some Bacta, Commando.
I thought you'd never ask, sir. I'm healed.
The factory is at the other end of this ventilation shaft. Hurry.
Moving to cover.
Find a computer and upload the factory schematics. I will analyze them for weakness.